Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you are doing banking and finance, then you should know what is banking, types of bank, then functions of bank, what is RBI, what is commercial bank, what is primary function, what is secondary function. Then you should know what is department in a bank, what is treasury, what is retail banking, then what is admin, what is technology, then what is corporate relationship, what is corporate banking. Then you should know what is financial institution, what is central bank, other depository, other financial, what is function of a commercial bank. Then you should know what is Indian banking system, what is RBI, what is scheduled bank, what is state cooperative banks, what is commercial bank, what is Indian banks, what are Indian banks, what are foreign banks, what are PSU banks, what are private sector banks, what is SBI. Then you should non-scheduled bank. Then you should know history of RBI, role and function of RBI. Then you should know regulatory and regular and supervisor of the RBI. Then you should know structure of RBI, central board of director. Then you should know what is NBFC, KYC, definition of bank and customer. Then you should know general relation, special relation, bankers. Then you should know banker as a financial advisor. Then a special relationship, customer account secrecy. You should know termination of relationship, customer acceptance policy. You should know monitoring of transaction, risk management. You should know what is NBFC, types of NBFC. You should know about NBFC bank versus NBFC. You should know basic principle of banking. You should know what is principle of savings and savings, what is of requirement, CRR, SLR. Then you should know definition about payment banks, small payment banks, headquarters and all. Then you should know paid up capital requirement for license. Then you should know request for settlement of a payment bank, characteristic of payment bank. Then you should know function of payment bank. Then you should know traditional banks, payment banks, then payment banks in India. Then you should know small banks. Then you should know best payment banks in India. Then you should know advantage of payment bank. Then you should know a small financial bank, financial inclusion link. Then you should know survey microfinance bank, about small finance bank, key challenge of a small bank, payment bank. Then regional rural bank, growth of RRBs. You should know. Then you should know problems and challenges. Then you should know foreign banks and subsidiary, international banks. You should know services and banking function. You should know inclusion literacy. You should know banks and all. You should know. Then bank lending rate. You should know what is base rate. You should know. Then you should know marginal cost of lending and all. Then you should know properties of use of fund lending and all. You should know point to while lending. You should know everything. So if you are doing your MBA, please do carefully. Thank you.